This video will explain how the new exam builder works. I've already created an exam. The first couple of steps where you select the name of the exam, the user group, and the source test or tests is the same. The changes that you'll notice will come once you've selected those tests and been brought to the exam builder page. First one you may notice is that the settings page has been renamed to Experience. This is the same as what that page is called on the quiz builder. Still the same place where you would go to select the timer for an exam, disable copying and pasting, enable calculator, etc. The next change you might notice is change to the order and location of some of the other settings pages. Proctoring, legal, marking, etc. are all now in advanced. The other main change on this page is that the schedule page is no longer the final step in setting an exam live. So you do still select the open window for your exam and save it, but you'll notice that there is no longer a green schedule button at the bottom of this page. The page now behaves in the same way as any of the other settings pages. You select the configuration, you save it, and you move on to the next one, for example, onto communication. The final step in setting an exam live is now on the version management page, and you can reach that page in two different ways. Firstly, just by selecting version management, or secondly, by clicking on Go to Publish, and this will take you straight to that version management page, and it will by default open up a settings preview. So what we recommend doing is reading through all these settings, making sure they are all the ones that you want. If you do need to make a change anywhere, for example, if I want to change the security setting to be locked, you can click on security. It will take you straight to that page. You can make a change and save it, and just go back to version management, and if you reload the page to pull that new change through, and open up the review and publish, you can see that the attempts will be locked by default. Then once you've gone through all the settings, you've made sure that you're happy with everything, you can click on publish, and this is the final step in setting your exam live. You'll get a warning here about what will happen when you set the exam live, and once you do that, as before, anyone who's already in this user group will have an attempt generated for this exam. Anyone who's added to the exam whilst the window is open will have an attempt generated as well. Once you've published the exam, you'll notice a couple of other more changes. Firstly, on the version management page, you can create a new version, and that will be covered in a different video, but it will allow you to make changes to an existing exam. The users page from the previous exam builder has been renamed to attempt management. If I click on here, then you'll recognize the table where you can unlock exams, you can resend exam notifications, etc. So that's all done on that page now. If you've got any questions, just pop us a message on the chat widget here.